under, open, place the extensions, close it back, drag it out and leave it alone for now. Then you go the other way around. Place it, close it, drag it out, right? Take one of this through this loop, one strand through this loop, and leave it for now. Then from here, take one strand through this loop and also leave it. Then drag both. Make sure you're dragging both strands. Drag it well enough. The knots will just go underneath your braid. So this is what we are going for. See? So you want to make sure that the extension you're using is big and not tiny extensions, so that you have a better coverage to this. Let's again close this, take it out, leave it alone. Okay. Place your extension on the crochet needle on the large hook. Close it. Oh, why is this dragging my hair? Drag it out. Open this up. Take one of this piece through, leave it here. Then this loop here, remember this loop, take one of this piece as well, leave it, then drag both pieces together, then close it. Same. Place the extension, close it, drag it out. This loop here is going to take one piece from here, one piece from the first hair we took out. Take one piece here. Well, this will also take one piece. Then hold everything together. Don't drag just one part of it, just hold it all together and hold everything together and pull. Ginger like yay, copyright stations here. I'm guessing it's oh my god, this is so exciting. Nice. Okay, if I should try it once, this is it. This is one time. The knots will not show at all.
It will not show, but it will lose.
I think, I'm not sure. I've not really like huge coily hair. Well, I don't think so. Which one do you prefer? One tie or two ties? Is it showing at the parameter?
It's not showing. No. And it's much faster.
Yes, one tie is faster. The other one is just very good when you don't want your knots to show. Two ties is very good if you if you if you intend to wear if you intend to carry it for long. I think two ties is good, but one tie was the one I did in my kinky crochet braid installation, and I was able to take it down very fast within 40 minutes. But I think if you tie it twice, the only difference would be that you would have to cut the extension. You won't really be able to reuse it. That's just the difference I've noticed so far. So continue. Close this, drag it out, leave it. Just drag it out, or not completely. Don't do anything yet. Leave it. You know, it's good like this. So now this is going to go through. Just hold this here so you can have like a guide on where the next one is going to go through. Super close to it, not directly the same hole. This is too far, so it should be quite close. Then place it, close it, drag this out. Now, remember how I said there is an adoption process going on here? This loop that you have, you take one of this, not everything, just one of this latch, take it through the loop and leave it. Then the next one too. For the next one as well, you open it up, take one of this through, then hold everything together and drag it. Just drag it. So I feel like on your first try you might not get it, but with consistency you would actually get it completely. You get so drag it and see. It's flawless, it does not have any knots, it's good. Okay, and I want you to learn how to do this. See how it's looking like it's coming out of my scalp, right? So remember, don't forget the whole process. One is going in towards the left and the other latch is coming in towards your right hand side. So remember that we still have two loops, one loop going towards your right hand side and the other loop coming towards your left hand side. So you know the other loop is going to have its babies, these two strands here. Take one of the strand through the loop, that is the loop that is faced on this angle. Take one strand through that, then the other strand, the other loop too would take one strand from the loops. The strands go heading, the strand at your right hand side basically. Then put everything, hold it together in house voice and drag properly so the knot goes under. See, like has no knot here. Can you see? So it looks like it's going directly from your scalp. Anyway, say don't get tired of me saying I'm excited, because I genuinely am excited. I love it when things work out the way I imagined it, for real. And this is it. It's time to make it frizzy at the front and at the back, and as well as the parameter. Using it this way would make it look natural and these lines here wouldn't show. That's the whole point. We're going to trim this, don't worry. I always look like Medusa after crochet installation. So twist this backwards. Hi guys, I trimmed it down because it was just too big and it wasn't giving natural at all, and I needed this to look as natural as possible, to the point where you can see my scalp or you can't see my scalp. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, I reduced it, and like I didn't just so you know how initially I was trying to trim it down with this scissors right here. This isn't your best bet, honestly. I think if you want to trim down your hair, you should have a big size of these shear scissors, mainly for hair or your nails, right? So what I did was just go in this direction and not like a straightward direction. I hope that makes sense. So I didn't just go in and trim it to make it look equal. I tried to make it look as scattered as possible because your hair isn't naturally equal. Okay, so yes, trim it down. One pack of the Lush Passion Twist hair would have been enough, but I used 1.5, which made it like this right here. Again, that made it so large. So let me show you. This is like the side. Of course, if you want to wear your hair to the side, all you had to do, or all you need to do, is to just adjust the roughness you made at the front, because every time you lift it up you'd still see your hair, but all you just have to do is just touch it down forward and adjust it. I also went in with the shear to try to fix it again, right? So that would make more sense. I'll show you guys the back as well. So this is like the back after like adjusting it. I trimmed it also to make it look as scanty as possible. Yeah, so yeah, that's the back. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you learned something. You learned a new method to do the illusion crochet method. I hope you do. I just came up from church, so yeah, this is like completely another day. I wasn't really feeling well for a couple of days now, so I didn't record the trimming process. I should have done that, but I did not. But I actually trimmed like half of this out. So yeah, I love it. Honestly, I like when hair is just versatile. You can play around with it and you're not just stuck with one particular way of styling your hair. That's one thing I like about big hairs like this. You can do whatever you decide to do with it, whatever you chooses. Yeah, at this point. So thank you again for watching. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful weekend, enjoy your week, whichever time you're seeing this video. Bye. Ciao.